Looks like I'll be in here a while. How about passing me some milk and cookies? Wow, that was a good one. You know, a courtesy flush never hurt anyone. Say, can you help a jolly old elf out? I'm fresh out of TP. Hey, don't you know bathroom etiquette? He who last uses the bowl has to replace the missing roll. Oh dear, can you hand me a new roll, please? Not much I can do with this cardboard tube. Oh, I've really outdone myself. Got anything to read? I may be occupied for some time.